Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then select a shape, change the color, duplicate the shape, select another color, adjust a shape, different color, rotate the shape, select the color filter, change the color of shape, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.